Last Friday, award-winning author and University of Kentucky creative writing professor Crystal Wilkinson discussed her latest book during the 2025 Edward F. Prichard Lecture at UK's William T. Young Library. The book, Praise Songs for the Kitchen Ghost, blends family recipes and stories passed down through generations. Kitchen ghosts are the memories of loved ones like her mother, who made a simple yet comforting soup. They inspire her writing.
Primary kitchen ghost is my grandmother, and that's how I came up with it after she died, and I was trying to cook my first big Thanksgiving meal and really being daunted and grief-stricken about that. I knew how to cook, of course, because she taught me how to cook. I was trying to cook for about 5 people and found myself cooking for 25 people because that's what she had always done, and I would break down and cry, and I finally went and got her dress that I had hanging up in the kitchen and brought it in and put it on the back door, and suddenly I felt as if she was there with me, and I heard her say, okay, let's do this.
While working on an essay for Emergence magazine, she dived deep into her family's history and confronted the legacy of slavery. Wilkinson also expressed pride in her heritage. She never took her husband's last name, as she felt the Wilkinson name was a significant part of her family's legacy. To learn all of her family's recipes, be sure to grab her book, Praise Songs for the Kitchen Ghost.